Who?
Alright, so this was filmed on March 15th. I don't know why y'all just seeing it, okay? I mean, I'm not a fan of editing. I hate it. Matter of fact, but this is gonna be another lazy video, okay? Better videos coming soon, I promise. Okay, I may have changed my outfit like several times throughout this video. I don't know. I do this on a regular basis. This is something I just do all the time. I change my outfit probably like 4 or 5 times a day. I don't know. I can't tell you why. I don't know where it cut off, so I'm just gonna start from why I haven't been uploading. Schoolwork and work are a lot. My schoolwork's not as bad this year, but it's my art class and my history class really, and then my biology class that kind of are killing me. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys that the clothes that I showed you earlier are going on Depop. I still haven't had or have all of them there, but I plan to have all of them probably by April 15th-ish. So in this clip, this lovely clip,
I'm looking at my school schedule because so first we had 2 days that were just going to be off for preparation of the coronavirus. Then they had decided, oh, so we're just going to close for 2 weeks. As I'm speaking to you now, school's closed for the rest of the year. I don't know how to feel about it, but whatever. We're still doing online work. But this was just me looking at that stuff and doing my schoolwork and all that other stuff. This video was a mess. Like, I'm not even gonna like try to act like it wasn't. This video was a straight up mess, and I hope that I can do better from now on. This is rough.